Hi guys, welcome to RKIT Helpdesk. Today we are going to learn about how to allocate elastic IP address to your AWS account and how to assign that elastic IP address to EC2 instance. So let's start. I have already logged in my AWS account. First I will show you EC2 instance. Just to open instance ID. See, we have one dynamic public IP address already, and we don't have an elastic IP address. So this dynamic IP address will change every time while restart machine and stop the machine. So I want one fixed IP address for my instance. So go to network and security, click on elastic IPs and click allocate elastic IP address. Keep all settings as it is and click on allocate. Elastic IP address allocated successfully. We got one elastic IP address. Just select it and click on actions. Click associate elastic IP address. It will go to that instance select options. We have two options here, instance and network interface. If you choose instance, here we can select instance ID. We have only one instance, so here appearing only one instance. If you have multiple instances, it will give a multiple instance IDs. Also, we can choose network interface, and here we can choose a network interface. So I want to choose instance, and I will choose here instance ID. Just click on associate. So elastic IP address associated successfully means elastic IP address allocated to EC2 instance. So let's go to instance again. Open. See, elastic IP address allocated here. Dynamic IP address removed and that elastic IP address taken the space of dynamic IP address, means this is a fixed IP address of our instance now. Hope you guys understand the video. If you like the video, please do comment, share and subscribe RKIT Helpdesk. Thank you for watching.